Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel. We prepared another banger episode from the crazy roads all over the world. Just sit back, relax and grab your favorite snacks for this one. Enjoy!
Jesus. Good? That was not smart, man. That was not smart.
Semi-truck driver had a close call with a crazy minivan who cut right into his lane without bothering to look. On top of that, the minivan driver did not even indicate. Orange truck driver did not yield to another trucker and as a result he bumped his mirror. To make things even worse, he didn't want to pull over and solve the issue. Not only did this driver made a U-turn in the middle of one-way street, but he also ended up facing the wrong way. We don't know what caused the driver in a red truck to road rage. But he was really upset. I mean, he followed another vehicle for more than 5 miles and nearly made him crash.
How could they have found him? Instinct took over and he lifted into the air.
Driver caught a road rage situation on his dashcam between two crazy drivers. One driver was bored of waiting in the line and he cut right in front of another one. All hell broke loose after that move and check out what happened next. When you think that you can get away with speeding, but a karma cop slaps you back to reality. Karma is a dish best served cold.
Howled in pain as the sign swung back. Then a bunch of people jumped on us, and the cops came running.
Okay, this is me traveling from Vail, Colorado to Denver, and I'm behind this Subaru. I'm in four-wheel drive. I'm sure he's in four-wheel drive. But as you can see, that doesn't really work out for him. Going a little too fast around this slushy road, and so oh well.
Unfortunately, another episode come to an end, but we'll be seeing each other soon in the next one. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and while you're there, click the bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Thank you for your support, and until the next episode, ride safe.